Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can post a journal on Kashoo Accounting software. To post a journal on Kashoo Accounting software, you will need to go to section Accounts. From here, you need to select an account in which you want to post a journal. In my case, I will select an expense and cost of goods sold. £65, this, in my case, need to be adjusted because it's actually not cost of goods sold, they're relating to contractors, for example. Click on Add Adjustment, and here you will be presented with an adjustment or journal entry. Select the date. In my case, I will select 1st of May, that's the date of an entry. Keep currencies the same for transaction what you want to post. Account will be selected already and it needs to be reduced. So in my case, it needs to be removed from cost of goods sold. So it needs to be credited. And I need to select place where I want these costs go to. So in my case, it's contractor expenses for £65. If these £65 need to be split between multiple accounts, add another account. For example, I will have travel expense. So £65 are split between £35 and £30. Then you can add multiple lines as you wish. Make sure that your debit amount total balances with your credit. Otherwise, journal will be not posted. When you click on Show Details, here you can add more information and also attach file if this file helps to support this journal entry. Once you have filled in all details, click on Post. Okay, this transaction been posted and it shows as an adjustment. If you select this adjustment, we can edit this adjustment and the same entry card or journal card will be showed up, or we can delete or remove from this cost code. Sorry, lost the word. So in this episode, I covered how you can post a journal on Kashoo Accounting software. I have shared a link in description section below to my complete Kashoo Accounting software tutorial. In this tutorial, I cover all sections in detail. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.